Greetings, YouTube family. Sitting here in the shack in the office, wondering if you could hear that in the background. For me, these are the ideal conditions for me that I like to work in. I like to solder and I like to sit and think of the next project. That thunder that's in the background kind of puts me in a mood that I think of Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Marconi. For me, it's soothing and it's calming. Now, for some of you hams, you're probably running, disconnecting antennas and freaking out. It's nature. I love it. I enjoy it. And I just figured I would share with you my ideal work environments when I'm building kits or prepping stuff to bring the Hamfest to sell, whether it be antenna kits or all-in-one cables but for me this is ideal. And I just figured I'd share it with you guys. This is Tony, Kilo 4 Sierra Delta Victor, saying 7-3.